This 1998 Teggy belongs to my soon-to-be brother-in-law. It hasn't ran in about 5 years. 3 years ago we began a bodywork restoration project, but cold winter air in a garage that's as airtight as a fishing net meant it was impossible to perform a quality respray, and so it was parked up here. The worst thing you can do to a car is park it up and leave it. As you can see, the brakes have definitely seen better days, although most of it is simply surface rust. The interior will benefit from a good tidy up too. Love these red Recaro buckets. Let's take a look under the bonnet. There's some aluminium surface corrosion that'll easily clean up. Take a look at the oil. It looks fresh, but this oil is at least 5 years old and has potentially broken down and mixed with water. This means it can't lubricate the engine as well anymore, and so we'll change it. Also, I'll move the Teggy to the driveway so it's easier to work on it. I can't believe how easy it was to undo the old filter. As you can see, the oil is up to the correct level. We'll check it again after the engine starts. It's also a good idea to check the spark plugs, and this one seems okay. I'll also pre-lubricate the top of the cylinder by pouring a drop of oil. This will help to coat the piston rings and the cylinder walls with fresh oil. Let's reinstall the spark plug, making sure to tighten it so it's snug. With cylinder number 1 done, I'll do the rest of them. This battery is ancient, and so I don't have any high hopes for it, but let's try it anyway. And no, it's completely dead. I'll try jump starting it. We got signs of life. There isn't too much fuel, but it should be enough to get us started. No man, it's still dead. Attempt number 2. And nope. I think my jumper leads may be crap, so I stole a battery from the family van. Squeaky yoke! Eik tu savo. Išeik iš šio kiemo, Tomai. As you can see, the old Japanese motor fired right up. As she warmed up and the thermostat opened up, a coolant hose blew out. It'll be an easy fix. We're hoping to do some more work to this iconic 90s Honda as the time goes, and you may very well see it on this channel again. This is Adam G. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.